Hi besties! How do you save money, especially in the world of today? Are you one of those people who put their money in a box, in a bottle? I've seen so many things that people use to save money. Today, you will learn the simplest ways and a way that will help you to make your money work for you. I'm sure you probably have not heard about your money making money for you, but today, I will show you the best way to save money in Nigeria. Simply mean save and earn money. I will share my personal story of how I transformed my savings, and I will reveal the tips and the tricks to maximize your savings. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let us go. So how do you save money in Nigeria? Do this now. People keep asking me, how do I save money? How do I save money? And today, I want to talk to you about something. I remember when I started saving money, I used to think that putting my money in the traditional banks was the best, until I realized that my money was barely growing. It wasn't until I discovered the high interest savings account that everything changed. I moved my money from my regular banks and I moved it into a high yield savings account, and I watched my money grow by percent in just months. It was just like having my own personal money machine. And the beautiful thing is that this money is yielding for me even when I'm sleeping. Why should you save money? One way to save money is to save yourself. When you save money, you have money for as a buffer in case of an emergency. You have money in case something needs to be repaired, and you're still waiting for salary to come. It can come in between and save the situation pending when your salary comes. So there are so many beautiful reasons. Well, another beautiful thing you should know about saving money is that when you are putting some savings together, it is easier for you to invest. So when you are saving, you're building up a reserve so that when a good investment opportunity comes in, you are sort of ready to jump on that opportunity. So here are the first three things you should do. Write down on a paper your income. List out your salary, list out your business side hustle income, business profit, gifts, commission, interest, everything that you have been able to get in the last 30 days. And then on the other side of the paper, write down your expenses, everything you spent money on down to the very last, even the money you've given someone, transport, even bank charges, everything counts. If you're going to organize yourself, you need to be clear and you need to be honest with yourself. The second thing you're going to do is to list out your essentials. The essentials are the needs. Like these ones have to be met every month. So I know that, for example, in my house, things like gas, DSTV subscription, light bill, these are the major things that I have to spend money on every month. Food, fuel for transport and all of that. So these are the essentials. Then before you put in your wants, needs come before the wants. Be able to understand that you must differentiate between your needs and your wants. The last one is know the places where your money needs to go. The first place your money needs to go is your savings. Why? I'm going to tell you why. There are smarter ways to save money and there are better ways to manage money. So you see a lot of people who are very good at making money, but they're not good at managing their money. And one way to manage your money is to learn how to start saving. That's like the baseline where you need to start. First of all, understand your income and your expenses. The second is to learn how to save. And the beautiful thing is that you can actually save and earn money in dollars. So focus on the big wins, okay? Focus on the big wins that matter. Because in this channel, I like to talk about all things money and personal finance. Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia Ngosu, and on this channel I talk about all things personal finance and money matters. I know, right? This is the channel you have to be tuned in, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that anytime I do a new video, you'll be one of the first people, if not the first, to see this video and learn a whole lot. We are going to be building our money. We're going to be securing the money back together. So please like this video because YouTube will show it to more people. And do me a favor and drop a comment if there are topics you want me to talk about. So moving on, let's talk about something else. So why should you save money? Look at our current situation. Inflation rate is currently at 33 almost 34%. simply means that for every 1,000 naira you have lost the value of 340 naira. You may think it is small until you look at the value of a million naira. You've lost the value of 340,000. And that is why we have high cost of food and services. So what you would use 100,000 to buy before, you would need to use about 300,000 to get it now. And it is crazy. A lot of people are barely surviving. And the recent addition are the electricity bills increase and the petrol increase. And these things, if you do not have a plan, most people need to have some kind of savings so you'll be able to, create a buffer. And if you have not started saving, now is a good time for you to learn how to save money. So first of all, ask yourself, do I want to get the benefit of the work done, or do I want to be a middleman? So whenever you get your salary or money comes into your hand, the first thing you should ask yourself is, decide if you want to benefit from the money you just made. Because I see a lot of people, all we do is that we are just working to pay bills, and we deserve to pay ourselves. How do you pay yourselves? By saving and investing your money. You have to start by saving before you move into investing your money. So the first money goes to you, and that is how you pay yourself. You save to invest. This is how you're going to start. Sit down and decide how much you want to pay yourself. So for instance, your salary is 100,000 and you decide that for every 100,000 you earn, before you start putting your money into all the bills that come up, what can you afford? Like, how can I put out something for me? Like, just look at it this way. Think of you. You deserve something, right? So let's say you have thought about, okay, 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira. That is how much you really can afford to start with. It does not matter how much you start with. What matters is the consistency and what you have actually planned. I've seen people grow from 1,000 naira every month to 5,000 naira every month to 10,000 naira every month. Don't save this money in a piggy box or give it to someone to save for you, because there are always stories that come at the end of the time. So please do not let your money sleep. Save it in a high interest savings account. And I got you. You can actually create one or two high interest savings accounts. Using high interest savings accounts, your money never sleeps. That money will be working for you. So you remember the story of the parable of the talents, when the person that was given one talent returned the one talent, and the master was so angry and said, couldn't you have put this money in the bank? I would have earned some interest on it. So you can see how important saving money is. So make sure that you're putting it into a high interest savings account, because unlike banks, they are giving you up to 13% to 20%, depending on how long you want to keep the money, in that space. So I'm going to introduce to you an app I use. It is called Optimus by AfriInvest app. I love this particular app for a lot of reasons. I call it my 4-in-1 action pack. It has, the section where I can save, and there are different types of savings. They have the OptiLock and they have the OptiFlex. They also have investing in the US stock market. You can also, using just one app, you don't need to download so many different apps. And this is why I love this particular app. The fourth thing is that they have mutual funds. So we want to save your money in dollars. Very useful capital preservation. I'm going to do a video on all this, separately, but for today, we're going to focus on the savings. This is what I want you to look at. This is how Optimus looks like when you download it from the Play Store app, okay? All you need to do is to look at this referral code. You can type it in when you download it from the Play Store, but the easiest way is to click on the link in my description. You will see the link. Once you tap on this link, you will see this different. Just in 5 minutes, your account is set up. Click on my referral link, type in your email, type in your phone number, type in your preferred password, and then click on I agree to the terms and conditions and create your account. You will also see my referral code pop up. And when you see that, your account is good to go. For you to get more information about this, I have done a previous video, about 4 minutes video, showing you how you can download this into your phone in just 5 minutes. So let's get into how to save. When you open your app, the first thing you click is on the wallet. Then you click on fund. I prefer to use bank transfer. Then I copy my unique account number. and then copy it into my bank app and do the transfer. The money drops in 15 minutes. It is like magical. And then I will go into my app again and click on the portfolio, select either the OptiLock or the OptiFlex, select a plan, give it a name, select the amount I want, and click on the funding source, which is my wallet. The money is already in my wallet, and then I create. This is very simple. I'm going to do a detailed video on how you can fund and save this money using my phone so you can see it. But just to walk you step by step, this is the way it looks. So this is how the stock the app looks like. When you click on it, you will see the OptiDollar, OptiFlex dollar, you will see the mutual fund, the dollar fund, you will see US stocks and Nigerian stocks. So all you need to do, like I said, is to click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you will see this page on the right side. So click on the fund, and then you would get your unique account number. You would take it, copy that account number into your phone mobile app and bank app, and then you make that transfer. You come back to your app again and go to the savings plan. You will see this. There is the OptiLock and there is the OptiFlex. OptiLock is you're locking your money. You have no reason to withdraw any money from it. If you're going to withdraw, there are consequences. The reason they have attached that is to make sure that you do not touch your money until they have matured. But in OptiFlex, you can withdraw your money every 30 days. So depending on what plans you have, I'm not a fan of when you save money, you should take it every month. I prefer to lock my money. So, but each one you're going to take, click on the create a plan for OptiLock or OptiFlex. But for this video, I'm going to go with OptiLock. So when you click on OptiLock, you will give it a name. If you look at the left, you see I've given it a name, stock body. Continue. Then I would put in 3,000 naira. You can put in any figure, even up to 1,000,000 naira. How long do you want to lock? I chose 6 months. And the interest rate they gave me was 17%. And with the 3,000 naira I have, I am getting 251 naira by 3rd of March. The beautiful thing is, you can see that with 3,000 naira, I'm getting 251 naira. Can you see it is beautiful. Now imagine if you had put in 1,000,000 naira and they're giving you 17% of your 1,000,000 naira. This is why I love this app. All you need to do is to click on funding source, and then voila, your fund has been locked away. So I have done this step by step, and I'm going to drop the video. Watch this step-by-step process video in my next video. Do not miss it. So for OptiFlex, simple, same process. Create a plan. I created a plan. I called it a financial school project, and I put in 5,000 naira, and so far I have gotten 7 naira and 12 kobo. The beautiful thing about this is they're giving me 13%, and I can afford to withdraw this money every single month as much as I want. I can withdraw and add. So this is more flexible. That's why they called it OptiFlex. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do hope you learned 1 or 2 things in this video. The next video I will do is to show you with my phone how to fund and create your own plan. Make sure you send this video to a friend who will learn 1 or 2 things from this video. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you very much and have a great day.